videos have been generated to be a guideline for your assistance for the conversational programming of the Fagor 8055 control. In this video, we will be exercising all of the main CAN cycles, including tool calibration, turning cycle, facing cycle, taper cycle, cutoff cycle, rounding cycle, threading cycle, grooving cycle, profiling cycle, and simulation and graphics. Please refer to the 8055 MC videos for presetting part zeros and homing of the axis, as these functions are exactly the same between mill and lathe. After completion of these operations, you will begin to understand all the steps that are necessary in programming the Fagor 8055 CNC control.